Natulog sa sopa. Kasi nga, as usual, andun pa yung pusa. Mamaya, may kukuhang mag-a-adapt. Ngayon, nakabalik na sa akin yung aking card ng card ng aking bangko dito. Tapos mag-breakfast na tayo. Ano to? Breakfast time. May suman din. At tubig. Mag-breakfast tayo. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo ang aking breakfast. Ayan yung hinigaan ko. At mag-toilet lang muna ako. Kasi ito nag-i-edit pa ako. Kaya ginamit ko yung isa. Matulog pa. Ayan. Yan ang toilet dito nila. Malaki itong bahay ng pamangking ko. Good morning, everyone. Yan ang toilet dito sa UK. Itong bahay nila na to ay malalaki. Parang ng hotel. May mga cabin. Ay, kalimutan kong patayin ang ilaw. Tapos, ayan dito. Malaki itong bahay nila. Ayan. 3 palapag. So, ako doon sa 3rd floor. Yung inano ng anak ko. Ayan. As usual. So, I'm going out today. Sister Jen an invitation to me for welcoming in love. So, supposed to be doon ako mag-breakfast ko. Kakain. Mag-coffee muna ako. That's it at the moment, everyone. My breakfast for today. Today is wala ditong kalendaryo, kaya kailangan sa phone ka mag-calendar. So, wait. Ayan. June 1st today. Saturday. So, last night, I attended my first prayer meeting to my brethren here in London, together with Pastora Jenny, and then they invite me for welcome breakfast supposed to be, and dinner, lunch, yeah, but the lunch is in Hounslow. And then, ayun, my head is still itchy. So, after this, I'm gonna take a bath. And then I'm going, that's going to Battersea first. And yeah, I had a conversation, texting messages to Raven, but that time is yung videong sinend niya kay nanay is breakfast daw. Okay na si nanay, okay lahat, kumakaanag, take a bath na daw, yung ganyan. So Raven is very responsible for looking after nanay, babysitting to nanay. Yun lang everyone. Flex ko ulit ang halaman dito ng aking kapatid. Ayan. Maganda to pag December. Pakita ko sa inyo till December. May mga bulaklak sa dulo. Yun everyone. Morning everyone. I'm outside the house. I'm going to Sister Jenny to they said for the care group, I mean, yeah, but at first going to her flat in Battersea, and then later before lunch, I think we're going to Hounslow. The care group is in Hounslow at the house of Sister Mercy. So Saturday and Sunday is my day for them, for the Lord and everything. And sure guys, I see you everyone later. Update ko kayo sa aking first lagalag here in UK. It's cold today. But I need to put the scarf. Shout out kay Sister Claudette. Thank you for this. I bring this. This is one of your gifts for me. Even I did not use there in the Philippines, so here it is better. Very comfy isuot. Ibalabal sa aking leg. Yan lang. Maghintay ako ng sasakyan ko. Nako, 460 pass by. So let us see kung anong bus ang masakyan ko. Ano pa ako, 3 sakay pa ng bus. Yan, everyone. Hello everyone, naiwan ako ng bus. Another chance. 460 is passed by, 266 also. Then there is one more, the 260. Let us see kung maabutan ko. Ang ano naman dito is in everywhere there is a shop, so very easy. Yeah. And then hindi katulad diyan, talagang pag gusto mo nang mag supermarket, talaga bayan ka, Antipolo, bilihin mo na lahat, as long as you have a pambili, yung ganun. Tapos unlike dito na dyan lang, may maraming kioski, yung ganyan, kiosko, yung ganyan. 3 minutes I think, or 2 minutes, the 260 is coming. is coming now. Ayan. Windy pa rin dito, everyone. And then, ayan, 2 minutes more for 2:60. Ayan, praise God. And then after that, I'm gonna use the other bus, the 52 going to 452. That is, na alaala ko pa naman lahat ng mga ano dito, not lahat pala, kailangan kong i-recall na kung ganito. Yan, dati meron akong ganyan, no, may tungkod, hindi ko alam kung ayun na yung bus, nakita ko na. Sige everyone, later again. While I am waiting for my 60 plus bus, 60 plus, yeah, that is for the senior citizens travel pass. So I use this one. Let us see kung ano ang tatanggapin ng bus, dahil hopefully in 2 weeks time dumating na yung card ko. Yesterday I buy it in the post. Post sa atin is yan na yung sa hulugan ng sulat. Ito na, nakita nyo na yung bus. Ayan, 260. Okay ba everyone? Ayan everyone, nakasakay ako ng bus. And then nakita ko doon na emergency pass charge, meron silang ganon. So I don't know kung ano yun, kasi ano yun, yung ngayon ko lang na experience yung ganon. So I'm gonna ask to my nieces kung yun ba ay someday i-charge sa akin, or I don't know what is that. Yeah. So Willesden Green Library, I'm going out and take another bus for 52 dito sa World Money Transfer before, but since I know na how to use the online banking, so hindi na ako magdaan dyan. Yeah. So dito yung unang-una kong tinirahan. Ayun yung pala yung, I don't remember the ano kanina, post office. Yeah, the post, they call it the post office. Yeah. Yesterday I pay for my 60 plus. It cost 20 pounds, but it lasts for 1 year, and then for the next year you gonna how do you call that, renew it again for another until you reach the 65 to 66. Yeah, that's it. Dito ako sasakay ng 52, and then after that the next is 452 going to Sister Jenny. Yan lang everyone. Good evening na dyan sa atin sa Pilipinas, but dito is just good morning. Yeah. Or tanghali. Tumawag ako kay anak, and then hindi ko na kinausap si nanay kasi nag-send na sa akin ng details si Raven ng videos and everything, kaya regarding sa nanay. Yeah, yan lang everyone, and see you later. Yan everyone, ito yung old church dito sa Kensington. So I'll take the bus 452 and Kensington Palace. for my third bus, 452, and then I'm gonna take 49 to reach the Sister Jen place. Yan lang, everyone. Yan, Kensington, the shopping area here in Kensington. Malapit sa park ni Princess Diana noon. Ayan everyone, 49. Ano pala, hindi na pala ako kukuha. Sorry, na-confuse ako kasi normally sumasakay ako ng 452 going to the church sa Battersea. But I'm going to Sister Jen's house, kaya I'll just take 49 and the 49 is here already. Yeah, everyone. Ito ang Kensington in UK. Ayan o. Kita nyo ba yung yung 49, di ba? Time check everyone is 8:42. 8:42 in the morning here in UK. Ayan o. Ay, ganun. Masyado maliwanag.
Palace Gate.
Ayan. Ito yung ayan everyone, Kensington Park yan. One day papasyal ko kayo sa aking another journey dito sa UK. And time check is 8:43 a.m. I made a mistake hindi pa naman ako nakasakay ng 452. Lucky that 49 is nakita ko dun sa dun sa meron kasi ditong tinginan, kaya easy lang na yung mga bus stop, may mga allowed na mga bus number na babantayan mo kung doon ba mag-i-stop yung ganun. Kaya madali lang, easy lang. Ayan si Pastor nga panay ang update dahil baka daw na-regret ko na yung mga way, pero hindi naman, alam ko pa rin.
This bus is on diversion. Please listen for further announcements.
Patay, diversion pa.
Cromwell Road.
Ayan lang yun.
This bus is on diversion. Please listen for
Si
further announcements.
ate ay si kuya, hindi na mahirap dito
This
for
bus is on
diversion.
Please
Magpapalit
listen for
ka.
further announcements.
So ayan everyone, lakad na naman again. Oo, lakad again kasi yung bus stop na yon is for 19 lang and 190. Dito kami nagsishop pagka yung meron kaming pagtitipon dito kay Sister Jenny's house, yung ganyan. If you want something to bring, it's easy to buy there because it's very near. So yung mga pag-prepare mga salad-salad, prutas-prutas, and then mga gift na mga flowers and plants. If you want, yeah, that is the life here in UK. Ito, pumunta na ako sa building ni Sister Jen, pero I don't remember what number should I ring it because sabi nga ng anak ko, wow ha, parang hindi ko naman ano yan, yung parang yung hindi ko nakalimutan itong London, yung mga yung mga pinupuntahan ko ba. As long as for the Lord, syempre hindi mo makakalimutan. Kaya may mga unting bagay na makakalimutan ka pero not all the time. Ayan, paikot ko kayo. Tapos ako ayun oh. Ito, yun nga lang ang attire dito is always kang handa sa pagtaglamig. Kasi windy nga ngayong araw na to. And then, but not really slight lang yung ganun. So, malamig pa rin ang simoy ng hangin. Yeah, ito yun eh. Ayan na. Nag-start kasi ako ng vlogging everyday. My daily vlog sa Pilipinas when I'm on the care. Mag-alaga ako sa parents ko, nanay ko, sa tatay ko, sa nanay ko. Yan. Dito siya eh. Doon o. Doon sa taas yan. Mataas yun. Pero meron namang merong yun, lift. So, eto yung kaganapan dito. Look at the building here. Ito mga kaganapan dito. Early in the morning. Kaganyan ka. Pero hindi ko alam nga. Yun yung pasyal ko kayo nga. Someday makikita nyo yung mga dinadaanan namin ng mga 6 Hester Road. Pero I don't know what number should I ring it. Because you need to ring so that they can open it. Huh? Ayun. 2:30. Good afternoon. Update. Nandito yung aking mga kasama. Video ako. Oo. Mag-lift kami. Yeah, mag-lift kami. We're going to Hounslow for the care group. Oh, this is my first group. First attending for the first care group. Ayan everyone, we're here at South Kensington. Ito. Ayan, napakita ko sa inyo. We're going to Hounslow. So, Piccadilly line kami dito sa South Kensington. And I'm with Sister Jenny and Sister Joy. Yeah. Tapos, ito, from bahay nila doon sa Battersea. Ayan, dito kami may Heathrow dito. I-reminis ulit natin ang aking memories para i-sharpen the memories para tandaan ulit yung ganun. Pakita ko sa inyo ang train mamaya. Dito kami sa South Kensington. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina ng dahil marami kaming usapan at kwentuhan. And everyone for welcoming me. Ayan everyone, time check 3:25. Ang train dito maganda kasi ayan merong yung ng destination kung saan. Kaya easy lang na pumunta. Kaya dito kami, nagpas kami ng Hammersmith. Next is Turnham Green. So, punta kami ng Austerlitz. Oh, di ba everyone? Ganda ng train dito. Yan lang. Shout out. Si Sister Joy. Ayan everyone, nandito na kami sa Austerlitz, and then we're gonna take the lift. Oh, here is the elevator is lift. Ayan everyone. Sa totoo lang, masarap naman ang buhay dito sa UK. Oo. Pero syempre, masaya ako dun eh. sa Pilipinas po. Yun lang po.
Ticket hall and exit.
Lalo na't si nanay ang kasama mo. Ang ganyan. So, opo. Dito tayo? Yeah, dito. Ito yung first time kong sumakay doon dito sa station na yon. Kasi mostly nag-stairs tayo. Yung ganyan. Oo. Meron akong isang natutuhan dito. Pagsama ko sa inyo. Ayun. And dito, bago ka lumabas, mag-hold ka muna, itap up mo muna yung card mo. Bago ganun. Ayan, tapos maglakad na kami papunta ng Uy, dito kami naligaw. Dito kami naligaw. Papunta kay Sister Mercy. Oo nga. Yan. Thank you, Lord. Ang ganda ng ng kanyang grass. Yan. Yan, everyone. Nandito na kami. Mag-care group kami dito sa bahay ni Sister Mercy. Ayan. Ang mga kapaligiran dito. Quiet na lang tayo at ako'y
Hello, sister.
Hello, everyone! Ito yung aking friend, Sister Mercy. Lahat naman sila friend ko, sorry. Ayan. Wow, everyone, look what Sister Mercy prepared for the care group. Diba? Ito yung namimiss ko dito sa London. Pag may care group, there's a lot of food on the table. Oh, may pizza. Ha? Ayan ang aming si Sister Mercy. Yes. Shout out to my vlog.
Hello! Kain na po tayo.
Kain tayo. Doon. Meron pa sila doon sa loob.
Kain ka.
Look, the fish is mine.
Meron ba siyang ano dyan, ha? Kala kong ibang ano.
Na.
So we have
Yung mga hindi mo na lang may pakain.
Oh, the train is here already. Okay, everyone. We're going to... I'm going to Green Park to take Jubilee. Jubilee line. Oh yeah. This is the one that that's why I don't like to take this Green Park going to using the Jubilee line. It's very far to walk. Yeah. And now, finally, we done our care group in Sister Mercy's house. I did not take a video on there because it's a prayer meeting. And I have, if I want to go home as quick as better I take this Jubilee line, but if not, I'd rather prefer to take a bus because of this. It's a long way to walk going to the next train. You see what I mean? There's a lot of long way to walk, and then there's a lot of stairs on here. That's what I don't like. but I have no choice. Yeah, Jubilee line. This Stanmore. This one is Stratford. Okay, which one? Platform. Platform. Yes. I'll take the Willesden Green. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stops before I reach there. Ayan everyone, my train is here. That's it. We're supposed to be on road. Here I am everyone. Pero medyo malayo pa rin ang lakad ko. Dahil it's supposed to be doon ako sa huli sumakay. Eh, napasakay ako sa bandang gitna. Ayun. Next time, pag doon ulit ako sumakay sa Green Parks, doon ako banda. Sasakay sa hulihan ng train para malapit lang ang baba ko dito sa stairs. Ayan everyone. This is my journey in UK. Ayan everyone. Dito na ako. Time check. 10 to 10. Ito yung mga sinasabi kong opisina na ano ng cleaning. Big Bite, fish and chips. Ayan. Ayan o. Chatsworth Road. Chatsworth Road. Yeah. Tapos, I'm going here. I'm going home. I'm gonna end this vlog for today. God bless everyone. I love you all. And good night. Hi to my vlog. Hi. Hi. Shout out to my vlog. May bisita ako pagdating ko dito sa bahay. Ayun. Ayun ang set up. Ayan. Uwi na sila, Elora. Bye. Good night. Mga taga-acton. Good evening everyone dito sa UK. Kita ko sa Aiden. Nag-date ako sa pagdating ng nagdadala ng communion kay nanay. Kasi sa Pilipinas is yan o, 10 to 7 sa Pilipinas. And dito Tugturan ko